OpusClip Pricing Plan Overview for 2025. Now we're going to look at the plans, their costs, and what or who they are best for. Let's start with the free plan. The OpusClip free plan costs $0 per month, so it doesn't actually cost anything. What is it best for? It's best for beginners that are trying the core features of OpusClip. Now we have this other plan, which is the starter plan, and that costs about $15 per month and is best for solo creators and marketers. Then we have the pro plan that costs $29 per month or $288 per year and is best for power users, agencies, and editors. Then the last plan is the business plan, and it comes with custom pricing, so it is best for teams, enterprises, and API access. Now the OpusClip starter plan costs at just $15 per month. It includes 150 monthly credits, basic AI clipping called Clip Anything, one custom branding template, virality scoring, 1080p exports, and no watermarks. Like I said earlier, it is perfect for individuals starting out or testing their social media clipping strategy. Then let's look at the next. The OpusClip Pro plan is priced at $29 per month or $288 per year, so you get to save 17% with annual billing. This plan is ideal for professional creators, agencies, and content teams. And the features that are included in this plan are 3,600 credits per year, access to AI B-roll generator, animated captions with advanced styling, multi-aspect ratio support, that is 9:16, 1:1, 16:9. Then you can reframe anything, which is also called smart cropping, XML exports for pro editing software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. It also has team workspace access, brand templates, and scheduling and auto publishing.